Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konasenkov tanggal 16 Juli merilis rekaman video detik-detik serangan presisi tinggi yang diluncurkan jet tempur Rusia mengakibatkan eliminasi Brigade Mekanik ke-115 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di Seversk. Selama 48 jam terakhir, brigade ini kehilangan lebih dari 600 prajurit. Serangan presisi tinggi yang diluncurkan pasukan Dirgantara Rusia juga mengeliminir markas Brigade Pertahanan Teritorial ke-123 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di Nikolaev. Serangan mengakibatkan eliminasi hingga 200 nasionalis dan tentara bayaran asing, serta 13 kendaraan lapis baja dan kendaraan bermotor, kata Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini.
To the western part of Ukraine, Russian Federation armed forces continue launching attacks at military facilities located in Ukraine. Attacks launched by high-precision, long-range air-based armament have resulted in the elimination of workshops for producing components and repairing .U ballistic missiles, as well as MRLS projectiles in Yuzhny machinery plant located in Dnepropetrovsk. In addition, high-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the elimination of 4 command posts, including those of the 80th Air Assault Brigade near Serebryanka, Donetsk People's Republic, and the 3rd Tank Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Novopokrovka, Kharkov region, as well as 1 munitions depot near Konstantinovka, Donetsk People's Republic, and 25 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment. Within counter-battery warfare, 2 MRLS platoons, 15 Gatsin-B howitzers, and D-30 artillery gun units deployed near Verkhnekamenskoye, Serebryanka, Seversk, Artyomovsk, Avdiivka, and Georgievka, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as artillery units at their firing positions in 73 areas have been neutralized. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 21 command posts, 5 munitions depots, as well as 189 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 3 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force during an air combat, namely 2 MiG-29 near Novopavlovka, Nikolaev region, Vladimirovka, Dnepropetrovsk region, and 1 Su-25 near Seversk. In addition, 2 Ukrainian helicopters, Mi-8 near Velika Novoselka and Mi-24 near Seversk, Donetsk People's Republic, have been shot down in the air. Russian air defense means have eliminated 14 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Dolginkaya, Izum, Malaya Kamyshevacha, Kharkov region, Kamyshany, Kherson region, Rozhotilevskaya, Zaporozhye region, Alchevsk, Lugansk People's Republic, Serebryanka, Grigorovka, Spartak, Krasny Oktyabr, and Krynichnaya, Donetsk People's Republic. 1 .U ballistic missile has been intercepted near Novozvanovka, Donetsk People's Republic. 2 Uragan MRLS projectiles near Izum, Kharkov region. In total, 256 airplanes and 139 helicopters, 1,557 unmanned aerial vehicles, 355 air defense missile systems, 4,073 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 746 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,149 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 4,253 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.